Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get the iPhone ringtone on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. In order to do this, we will need to download an app. So we're gonna open Google Play Store and then let's search for iPhone ringtone. There we go. And we need to use one of these apps. I'm gonna choose this one for this video and I'm gonna install that one. So now let's wait a couple of seconds to download and install the app. And once it is done, you want to of course open it. I'm gonna not allow notifications. And now over here, of course, we have additional options like asking for consent, so I can just choose do not consent. And over here we need to select one of these categories, so I'm gonna choose iPhone 14. Unfortunately, no ringtones found for some reason, so we're gonna go to iPhone 13. There we go. So over here we have some ringtones. There we go. We have this sound over here that works fine. If for some reason you cannot see different ringtones by selecting like iPhone 13 or something, so as you can see now it works. So let's go back to iPhone 14 and we can play to hear the preview. There we go. This sounds fine. So I'm gonna tap on this iPhone 14 and then we can select either download ringtone or set as a ringtone. So just to make sure, we can just select set as a ringtone and then we can choose color ringtone. There we go. We will need to modify system settings, so we need to allow for modifications. This is just one time only for the app, and then I'm gonna press one more time just to make sure that this option is set, and there we go, ringtone set successfully. So now just to confirm, we can go to the settings and we're gonna go to sound and vibration, and then if you scroll down for the ringtone, you should have those different numbers, or that number, maybe not that one specifically, but the name of the ringtone should have those numbers. Now if you prefer to use it for the eSIM, then of course you can select the phone ringtone for eSIM, then press add ringtone, and on your device you should have those ringtones saved as well. You should be able to find in audio files and then simply select the most recent file. You can also of course hear the preview, so if it matches then you can select this one and then press this check over here and select it on the list and press OK. So now I have set this iPhone ringtone both for SIM card and eSIM. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.